Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming Oppo new smartphone, the A72 5G specs and some images now leaks and surface. An unreleased Oppo smartphone sporting model code PDY-M20 was spotted on a Chinese certifying authority TINA website earlier this month. It was a summit to be a Reno series smartphone, but turns out that's not the case since the device has popped up on a China telecom website with the moniker Oppo A72 5G. The listing also includes the images and specs of the upcoming Oppo A72 new 5G smartphone. The smartphone supports dual mode 5G and pack a 6.5-inch 90Hz display with a punch hole in the top left corner for the 8-megapixel selfie camera. Around the back side, you get a 16-megapixel primary camera joined by an 8-megapixel lightly ultra-wide and 2-megapixel lightly deep sensor unit. The upcoming Oppo A72 5G has its volume rocker on the left side, as you can see on this picture, with the SIM card slot, and the power button is located on the right hand side. It appears to have a fingerprint reader embedded. The USB Type-C port can be found at the bottom, which is flanked by 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone and speaker grill. The Oppo A72 5G is powered by unknown MediaTek MT6853V SoC and runs Android 10. It has a 3 memory configuration: 4 gigs with 128 gig storage, 6 gigs with 128 gig storage, and 8 gigs RAMs with 128 gig storage, which according to China Telecom are priced Chinese yuan 1,699 yuan, equal to $240 for first variant, which is 4 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage variant. The second variant, which is 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage variant, price is 1,799 Chinese yuan, equal to $260. And the third one, which is 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage variant, price is Chinese yuan 1,999 yuan, equal $285. China Telecom does not reveal the battery size of the Oppo A72 5G, but TINA says it will pack a 3945 mAh cell, whereas reliable Chinese Tipstar digital chat station claims it will be a 4040 mAh battery with a 18-watt fast charging support. So guys, this is the new upcoming Oppo smartphone, which is called Oppo A72 5G. So this is specs and some images, as you can see. Let me know in the comment section, are you want this smartphone, because this smartphone is really cheap and the starting price is $240 and it's worthy. So let's see in upcoming days, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos, and see you in my next video. Peace out.